The most impressive it looks, the fewer the ingredients. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. A crown roast of lamb is a rack of lamb rolled so the ribs make a crown shape. The look of it immediately set the tone for a royal banquet. The mistake I see everywhere online is overcomplication. Overnight marinade, spice rubs, stuffing in the center. The rack of lamb is a lean and tender cut. It doesn't need any of it. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog on the link above. Cover the bottom of a round roasting pan with extra virgin olive oil and sprinkle with coarser salt. This is the crown roast of lamb, a rack of lamb rolled so the ribs make a crown shape, between 6 and 9 ribs, around 3 pounds and 1.5 kilo. Place it in the center of the pan, meat side down, and season with salt. Add the slices of garlic over the crown and into the center cavity. Now the potatoes. Use baby new potatoes. They are small, you do not need to peel them, and they will be ready at the same time as the lamb. If you use medium potato, cut them into chunks. Large potato will not cook through on time. Place them around the outside of the crown, drizzle with olive oil, season with salt, and lay 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary over the potatoes. Into the oven at 230 Celsius 455 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. This high heat seals the surface and keeps the inside pink. After 10 minutes, reduce to 180 Celsius 355 Fahrenheit and roast for another 30 minutes. Pull the pan out of the oven. Pour 1 cup of dry white wine directly into the pan. Back into the oven for 10 more minutes. Lamb should always be cooked medium rare at an internal temperature of 440 Fahrenheit 60 Celsius. When it comes out of the oven, cover loosely with foil and let it rest for a few minutes. Place the crown on a serving dish surrounded by the roasted potatoes. Pour the warm pan juices over everything. Remove the string and cut between the ribs. Each piece is 1 cutlet, 2 per person as a main. For more delicious Italian main course with meat recipes like this one, check out the playlist I've linked for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out our next culinary adventure. This is a dish for a proper dinner. The bones are not the handles.